So, I would like to tell you a story. We just got back from San Diego, and there is a very good reason why this bag is just sitting here all alone. That right there is the Tortuga Setout. And rather than using that brand new bag, I reverted back to the Ruckpack. And I'll tell you why in just a second. Too big. If you didn't hear that, she said, that's what she said. So, oh God, it's warm. So, the Tortuga Setout. First things first, it's a great bag, but as you probably saw, there's not really any structure to it. I put it on, wore it for a little bit before we left on this current trip, and it just wasn't good. I couldn't get it comfortable. It sat up too high. When I had it properly on my hips, the shoulder straps were too tight. I wanna like this bag, I really do. But it's just too much. It's too much. It's too much without enough structure. So let me go through a few things. So first off, any bag that I will even consider has to have a water bottle pocket. This one does. It seems pretty good. I don't know how it'll work in practice. I have had issues with the Ruckpack in the past where the water bottle fell out. I actually almost lost the water bottle because of that. So that's good. The shoulder straps do unhook like so. Well, you get the point. They do unhook, and there's a little pouch here for them to go in. The hip belt has pockets, which is a plus versus the Ruckpack. There's a separate laptop compartment here. You can slide your laptop in here, and there's enough room. So I have a laptop, a 15-inch laptop in here, and also a few children's books. I was cleaning out my mom's office and decided to bring a few books home for the nephew-in-law. So that. Then the main pocket here, as you can see, is a suitcase opening, and you saw it fit everything that I had in the Ruckpack, plus it has a lot more room. It's on paper about 5 liters larger. In practice, it's considerably larger. I could fit a whole nother packing cube probably in here. Probably something about this size. This is our toiletries. This is Andrea's, not mine. Don't judge. Pink is my color though. So anyway, it has too much space and too little structure. And that's what it boils down to. And it's unfortunate because, as I said, I really wanted to like this bag. I really wanted this to be the perfect travel bag. But alas, back to the Ruckpack. And honestly, I'm not mad about that. So that was it, just a quick video. See you next time. Oh, and if you have this bag and you like it, comment below, let me know why. Like I said, it's a great bag. I don't know, too big for me. Yeah, subscribe. That would be good too. Like, hit the bell, do all those things. See you later.